A warm welcome to everyone. Today I am Anurag Singh from second year IT department of SIS GST Nehru would like to welcome you all to our first year experience sharing session. Though the time was tough for us, we have to attend all our lecture online itself, but we never missed any chance to enjoy it. So here are my friends who want to share their first year experience.
Week-long induction program was carried out for all the first-year engineering students. And this program was not just an introduction to the college, but also to the course of engineering. The talks by the experts, the alumni sessions, the introduction of the various committees of the college, and some friendly interactions with the seniors actually helped me shape my view about what I'm supposed to do in the 4 years of engineering, how I'm supposed to improve myself, and whom do I need to approach in case I need help. So, overall, the induction program was a very important and helpful start to the 4 year journey in college.
Our first year in the college was completely online, but yet our seniors made sure that we feel comfortable and welcomed. They helped us by encouraging us to participate in various activities organized by the college. They helped us by guiding that how we can make group projects possible virtually. And on top of all that, the senior-junior interaction just made things seem very easy. And we received the exposure that we were looking for through them. Thank you for that.
Starting my first year in SIS GST was a far cry from what I had actually imagined it would be like. Needless to say, I was not looking forward to it at all. However, the faculty in SIS and everyone else proved me completely wrong. From the teachers to my classmates to the amazing events that were held, my online experience was made tons of times much better. The teachers especially, they took great lengths to make sure that there was no miscommunication of any kind. The projects that were held gave us all-round development and also made the learning experience much more enjoyable. Truly, it was the experience of a kind.
So my experience at SIS GST has been amazing, literally fantastic. First year at SIS GST, at the same time it was online, and yes, it was very much fast, 6 to 7 months completing in a whole year. But yes, SIS GST helped me to make sure that I gain that much amount of knowledge, rather not just curricular, that is studious wise, that is the base study wise. Rather, it pushed me to make sure that I get into the contest, different competitions, explore as much as I could, being an FE at the same time. I myself had an opportunity to get into an internship being an FE through the Intern Expo event. Also, various contests related to coding, that is SRM, Turning Cup, as well as not just coding or technical stuff, but events based on entrepreneurship, that is Bizens. I've been part of it, and what overall I'd say is that my experience as an FE, rather not just studying wise, but yes, SIS GST has helped me to explore as much as I could being in just an FE. So first year of my life at in a college basically has been wonderful at SIS GST. Not just the college but the faculty itself is so encouraging, motivates us at every extent, so that we explore, we gain as much as knowledge, make sure we apply it at the same time. Events like Promethean help us to connect to different domains, that is to nature, as well as think of same ideas and solve those problems. In all, my experience is wonderful, and it's hard to believe that it was online, but at an online stage, if I'm having so much fun, I'd expect how much fun would I have gotten if it was offline.
Overall experience in FE had been really good. To be honest, I had very low expectations due to everything being online, but still managed to create lots of memorable moments, and various events conducted by our seniors played a huge role in it. Coming towards wonderful friends that I made here, and most importantly, the bond that was developed without even physically meeting each other, just through WhatsApp chats, video calls, Discord meets, and playing online games. It was amazing. So yeah, I enjoyed my FE.
Both the fields of artificial intelligence and data science, and artificial intelligence and machine learning has shown potentials for high growth, dynamic, and lucrative careers. It's for students who wish to develop various intelligent business solutions. The branch of computer science and engineering has newer additions with ongoing technological advancements. It will have a key focus on cybersecurity, Internet of Things, and blockchain technology too. These upcoming domains have opened up a plethora of opportunities to learn, explore, and build. We at SIS GST believe in nurturing our students holistically. Experienced faculty, internship support in interdisciplinary areas, strong mentor mentee relationship, and project based learning is what helps us achieve our vision, and our students just raise the bar even higher.